16 ounces in a pound, so 16 times 2, add the 3, we get 35. That's your step 1.
Okay.
And then your step 2 was to find the conversion factor. And we do that by looking at what do we want to convert the recipe to, which is here. That's what the question is asking you.
Mm-hmm.
And what our original yield or old yield is, which is here.
Yes, which would we do 16 times 6 plus 12.
Yeah, correct. Because we need these in the U.S. system. In the U.S. system, we have pounds and ounces, so we need it to be units. When we're doing metric system, it's a little easier because it's only grams, so it makes it easier than with pounds and ounces. You need it to be the same unit.
Okay.
So far we're good?
Yes.
Okay. So now in step 3, what we're doing is we're taking this magical number here, 0.59, and we're multiplying each of our numbers in step 1 in order to get step 3. Okay. So when we take 0.59 and we multiply that by 35, we're getting. So let me just write that out. So I'm taking 35 and I'm multiplying that by 0.59. So what I'm going to get is 20.65. Okay, but that's ounces. So all of this is in ounces. Okay. What did I want to say? Oh, our rounding. So make sure for your rounding, we're going to round to the, what did it tell you here? Round your answers to the hundredths place, okay? And then remember, if the number in our thousandths place is 5 or more, then we're rounding up. But if it's less than that, then we're just keeping it the same. Okay.
Are we rounding for all of them, or is it just for a specific, like step 3, basically? I'm asking.
I think for the whole thing, let's round to the place. Yes. Because like even with our conversion factor, if we let's round it to the tenth, the hundreds, and we do 0.6, it's just gonna make a difference. So for our purposes, we're gonna look at the hundredths place. Okay. All right. So that's step 3. So for step 4, now what we need to do is do the opposite of what we did in step 1. So we need to convert this 20.65 back to pounds and ounces. Okay. The way that we do that is take our ounces. So that's 20.65. And we're dividing it now by 16, okay? So when I do that, I get 1.29, okay? However, the 1 pound stays the same, so this is going to be 1 pound, but this 0.29 is not ounces. So I can't, this is 1 pound, 0.29 ounces. This 0.29 is, of a pound. Okay. So what I need to do now is take that anything after the decimal point, so the 0.29, and I need to multiply it by 16 to find out how many ounces that is.
So we only if it looks like that, like say like 2 pounds and 3 ounces, for that part, it's basically dividing the 29 like behind the decimal to 16, basically.
Yes. So the 1 would be so this would be equal to 1 pound. So let me put that here. 1 pound, right? And then that 0.29, I'm gonna take. Wait, hold on. Here. Okay. that 0.29, right? Any decimal point. No. Here. 0.29. I'm going to multiply that by the 16. And that's going to tell me how many ounces are there. So when I multiply that, I get 4.64. That's how many ounces. So my answer becomes 1 pound, 4.64 ounces.
Okay.
Okay. Did you follow me in that?
Yes, I just wrote it
Yeah.
down.
Okay. All right. Very good. So, for the sugar, why don't you go ahead and walk me through it to make sure that you understood.